Welcome to Italian Express. Learn Italian.
Basic greetings and polite words. Ciao,
Hello or hi or bye.
buongiorno,
Good morning.
buonasera,
Good evening.
arrivederci,
Goodbye.
grazie,
Thank you.
prego,
You're welcome or please.
scusa,
Sorry.
mi dispiace,
I'm sorry.
per favore,
Please.
sì,
Yes.
no,
No.
bene,
Good or well.
male,
Bad.
così così,
So.
perfetto.
Perfect.
Now, people and family. Uomo,
Man.
donna,
Woman.
bambino,
Boy child.
bambina,
Girl child.
amico,
Male friend.
amica,
Female friend.
padre,
Father.
madre,
Mother.
fratello,
Brother.
sorella,
Sister.
marito,
Husband.
moglie,
Wife.
figlio,
Son.
figlia,
Daughter.
famiglia.
Family.
Now, home and daily life words. Okay? Casa,
House or home.
porta,
Door.
finestra,
Window.
letto,
Bed.
sedia,
Chair.
tavolo,
Table.
cucina,
Kitchen.
bagno,
Bathroom.
acqua,
Water.
cibo.
Food.
Now, numbers and time. Uno,
1,
due,
2,
tre,
3,
quattro,
4,
cinque,
5,
sei,
6,
sette,
7,
otto,
8,
nove,
9,
10.
10.
Oggi,
Today.
domani,
Tomorrow.
ieri,
Yesterday.
ora,
Now or hour.
tempo.
Time or weather.
Now, some common verbs. Essere,
To be.
avere,
To have.
fare,
To do or make.
andare,
To go.
venire,
To come.
vedere,
To see.
mangiare,
To eat.
bere,
To drink.
parlare,
To speak.
capire,
To understand.
volere,
To want.
potere,
Can or to be able.
dare,
To give.
prendere,
To take.
dormire.
To sleep.
Now, travel and directions. Strada,
Street.
piazza,
Square.
fermata,
Stop.
stazione,
Station.
aeroporto,
Airport.
treno,
Train.
autobus,
Bus.
macchina,
Car.
bicicletta,
Bicycle.
taxi,
Taxi.
destra,
Right.
sinistra,
Left.
vicino,
Near.
lontano,
Far.
qui,
Here.
lì.
There.
Now some food and drink. Pane,
Bread.
latte,
Milk.
caffè,
Coffee.
tè,
Tea.
vino,
Wine.
birra,
Beer.
carne,
meat,
pesce,
fish,
frutta,
fruit,
verdura.
vegetables.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel.